Hi, someone had asked how to go ahead and make it so an input, specifically a multi-line input, has limited character value. So I just grabbed a multi-line input, drew a box. It's pretty simple. You just click here, and it's the limit number of characters button on the input screen, and then you type in that. So if I want to limit to 100 or 1,000, it would limit to that many characters. But what you can also do to figure out how many you need, so I'll take that off now, and I'll say I'm trying to fit it onto a page in a space like this, and I only want them to be able to fill in this much. But I don't know how many characters that is. I can do a quick preview here, and I can go ahead and just count those. Once it gets loaded here, internet's a little slow today. So I can count these characters real quick. I guess some characters are a little bigger than others. Count with M's. If I don't want them to go out of this box, M's a pretty wide letter. Make it characters with M. Oop. There. One more M and it goes down. So, oh, why did we do that? M. There we go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows of 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. 7 rows of 34, which we can just grab a quick calculator here. 238. I'll go back to here. I'll open this back up. And the number of characters I want to limit to is 238. And we will reload this page real quick here. And it will now limit me to stopping my M's inside of this box. There. See, I can't type any other letters. It stops right there. Great. So that's how you can limit the number of characters inside of a text box. Really easily. You just go ahead and check that box, type in the number of characters that you want to limit it to, and then you, if you want to build the box first and then limit it to just what's inside the box, you would go ahead and just count it out like I did there. I count with bigger numbers or bigger letters just because like an M is going to be bigger than, as we see here, a Y takes up almost half as much space. But you could even say, what does like a lowercase I look like here? Lowercase I takes up even less space than that. So see how far this even gets. This might take up even, yeah, not even a quarter, I don't think. Well, about a quarter. So just keep in mind what you're really trying to accomplish here and the goal of it when you're trying to limit characters and limit space. Also, if you're interested in more videos or have any questions, put the questions below. Subscribe to the channel here. We've got more bubble videos coming out that will be teaching different parts and different things to do inside a bubble.